Today in Sovereign Gaming News, Lenovo has officially confirmed a widespread BIOS failure affecting Legion Go. Handheld, if your device suddenly stops booting after updating the BIOS version N3CN42WW, you're not imagining it. Lenovo says the issue is real serious and they're now offering free repair for anyone affected. Let's break down what happened and what Lenovo is doing about it, and what you should do if your Legion goes brick. Over the past week, Legion Go users began reporting sudden and severe problems. Device failure fails to boot, units stuck in the black screen, bio menus inaccessible. Some handhelds appeared completely dead. Common factor BIOS version N3CN42WW. This update introduced a failure condition that could corrupt the boot process, leaving the device unable to start Windows or even entire recovery mode. For a handheld game PC, this is one of the worst case scenarios. A BIOS failure is deeper than a Windows crash. It hits the firmware level, the part that the system tells the hardware how to wake up. Lenovo has now publicly acknowledged the issue. They confirmed the BIOS version N3CN42WW can cause boot failure. Affected devices cannot be fixed by the user. All impacted Legion Go units will be repaired free of charge. Warranty status does not matter. The repair is covered. This is a rare move in the handheld PC space. Most companies hesitate to admit firmware faults, but Lenovo is taking the responsibility and offering a clear path forward. Lenovo hasn't given a full technical breakdown yet, but early engineer notes suggest a low-level firmware initialization error, a failure in the bootloader handoff, possible corruption in the UEFI environment, a mismatch between BIOS and embedded controller firmware. In simple terms, BIOS updates change something in the system couldn't recover from, and once the bootloader breaks, the device can't even reach Windows to fix itself. This is why users couldn't roll back, reset, or flash new BIOS in the system. Never reached a state where those tools were accessible. If your Legion is affected, do not attempt further BIOS flashing. The device is already in a non-bootable state. Contact Lenovo support immediately and they will arrange a free repair. Mention BIOS version N3CN42WW. This identifies the issue instantly. Expect a motherboard level repair. Lenovo is likely reflash or replace the firmware chip. If your device is not affected, Lenovo recommends not installing BIOS and waiting for the correct version. This incident highlights a growing issue in handheld gaming PCs. Firmware updates become more complex and companies are pushing patches fast to keep up with the Steam Deck, Rogue, or Ally, and Linux-based handhelds. But firmware breaks sovereignty breaks because you lose control of the device entirely. This is why many sovereign gamers prefer devices with open firmware, accessible recovery modes, Linux-friendly boot environment, community-maintained BIOS tools. Legion Go is powerful, but the BIOS failure shows how fragile the proprietary firmware ecosystem can be. Here's a snapshot. Lenovo confirms Legion Go's BIOS version N3CN42WW is faulty. The update can cause full boot failure. Lenovo will repair the affected device for free. Users should avoid BIOS updates until its version is fixed or arrives. The incident raises questions about firmware sovereignty and handheld PCs. That's the latest on the Lenovo Legion Go BIOS failure. If you want this tuned into a sovereign gaming comparison, a handheld buyer's warning episode, or a deeper dive into BIOS recovery and firmware sovereignty, just let me know. Thanks for watching. Like, follow, and subscribe for more.